everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will be guiding you through the steps to access your Zomo Health account smoothly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Either Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser you prefer, open up on your computer. Now, next in the address bar, type in Zomo Health Login. Type in Zomo Health Login, hit enter, and here you will see the logging in Zomo Health. So click on this site. After that, you will be directed into the login page where you will need to enter your username in this section and password in this section. So type in the right username and password. Take a moment to ensure the information you are inputting is correct to avoid any login complication. After confirming your credentials, click on the login button below the login field. Once logged in, you will gain access to various features and resources tailored to your role and permission within the platform. But if you are a new user, then you can simply create a new account through clicking in sign up option here. By clicking on sign up, you will reach into the another site where you will have to create the new username and password. So fill on the required information and continue. So this way you can create the new username and password for your account. Or in any case, if you forgot the password, click on this forgot password option to recover your password. Through this way, you can simply log in into the Zomo Health, create new account if you are a new user, and recover the password through the Zomo Health login website. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.